Hi friends, today I am going to tell you one story from Sudha Murthy's book. My story name is How to Catch a Goddess. Rohini was a smart woman married to a rich merchant. For many years they lived happily. Then the merchant suffered losses in his business and they had to give up the large mansion in which they stayed. They had to move to a small hut at the edge of the city. The hut was surrounded by trees and tall grass. Rohini did not have any servants now. She had to do all the housework herself. She cooked and cleaned and washed. One day, as she was putting the washed clothes out to dry, she spotted something glittering in the grass. She bent down and looked closely. It was a gorgeous diamond necklace. Such a necklace is fit only for a queen. It must have been stolen from the palace. Perhaps a thief dropped it here as he was escaping, or maybe a bird carried it away in its beak. While she was holding the necklace and wondering what to do, the town crier passed by. Queen Kamala lost her diamond necklace when she was taking a bath. She had kept her necklace near the pond in her garden, and a bird took it. If anybody finds the necklace, it should be returned to the queen. She has promised a handsome reward in return. Rohini had guessed right. She went straight to the palace, where she presented the queen with the necklace. Queen Kamala was delighted. "This is my most favorite ornament," she said. "You deserve a gift. Tell me what is that you want." But Rohini was silent. The queen coaxed her. "Do not be afraid. I cannot let you go empty-handed. Do you want gold, a bigger house, nice clothes?" Finally, Rohini spoke up. "I do not want any of this, Your Majesty." "Then what is it that you wish for?" "I have a request. On this Diwali night, no one must light any lamps in the kingdom, not even you. The entire city must be in darkness except for my house, where I shall light candles." The queen was amazed by this strange request. Everyone lit diyas in their homes on Diwali, but she had to keep her word, so she agreed. Soon it was Diwali. Rohini spent the whole day cleaning her hut and its surroundings. The night, all around her hut, she lit as many candles as she could find, and as per the queen's order, no other house lit candles. The entire city was in darkness. Rohini sat at her doorstep with materials for worship ready at her side. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, comes to earth every Diwali night. That night, when she descended on the city, she was astonished to find it in darkness. "How strange," she thought. "On Diwali night, everyone lights lamp to welcome me, but I see not a single light, except for some candles in the hut." So Lakshmi made her way to Rohini's house. Looking at Lakshmi standing before her with her dazzling beauty and ornaments, Rohini knew who she was. She knelt down and worshipped the goddess with a lot of devotion. Then, as Lakshmi, happy with the welcome, was about to step into her house, Rohini stopped her. Lakshmi looked at her in the amazement. "Whoever stops Goddess Lakshmi from entering?" Rohini said, "I know you have to enter the house where lamps have been lit and where you have been offered prayers. But I have a condition. Once you enter my house, you must never leave it. You have to give me your word." Now Lakshmi understood everything. She smiled and nodded. "You are a brave and clever person, Rohini," she said. "I will be happy to stay in your house. Saying this, the goddess entered the Rohini house, never to leave it again, and thus Rohini and her husband were able to get back all their lost wealth and were never poor again.